You want me to take a picture of your bucket head?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Come on, Abby. Come get Elmo.
Why Abby crawl in there?
Abby's crawling. She's trying to get that tent.
Mom.
Hey, Miss Distraction over here.
Abby.
Watch out for Buckethead. Oh, careful. That almost landed right on her head. Go get it. You can get in it over here. Ooh, ooh. Want to get in there? Oh, I made it. Oh, I made it to the tent. Hey, can you say hi to Mama?